Northern Tools. Not always the best prices, but decent prices, and they carry a nice variety of things. I just came out with a new air compressor.
Yeah, nice finish, nicely painted for Taiwan.
I like the paint.
It is, it's nice. Oh, it has a brass drain valve. Look at that in the back over here. This cord. So yeah, I need a piece of pipe like that if I want to daisy chain the other one. A piece of copper like that. You just bend it up with the Parker fitting. Yeah, that's the oil fill. I must read the directions, and that's the muffler.
Yes, read the directions. Alright, we'll play with this, get it going. This is the old, what is it called?
Vilbus. They're out of
they used to make like the nebulizers for asthma and stuff. Yep, we had one. 1.53 gallon De Vilbus. This was purchased in 1995, so I guess it's had its day. It only had one outlet, and again 1.5 horse, 3 gallon.
That was only 1.5 horse.
So this baby over here
I'm gonna use that tank though.
is going to be much better.
A gallon more of air. That's 3.
And it pumps higher.
It pumps
Maybe we could save these gauges even, who knows?
Yeah, saving that whole thing. It's that plastic top's gonna go in the bin where the motor was.
Okay, let's see how quiet this thing is. This thing was much louder. That's oil cooled cast iron piston. Got a little air filter. That round thing.
It has a little relief valve, like
So
a real
filled up already. That was damn quick.
Too bad, and it doesn't even really get hot because the airflow is a fan in here. It blows air across.
The only negative review, there was a guy who owns like a farm. He says it didn't pump up quick enough.
It doesn't. It's about as fast as that. I'm not bitching about it for a small compressor. Yeah, that's your regulated air. You see it goes down. Max it out.
So that regulates the output.
Yeah. So you figure. Like let's say I'm blowing out like a computer or something.
You want, yeah.
You turn it down, you know, you don't need high pressure air. Let's see if my fitting actually works.
And what's the highest pressure again on that?
I think like 135 or something.
135, yeah. That Honda one was more.
Shit. This fitting's not going on, but I gotta force it on. It's better when these fittings, they suck and you got pressure on it.
Just blow some air. Nice.